Good morning, 11th standard student. Today we are going to see 2.2 the poem The Shower. Let us see icebreakers activity in this video. First activity, make a list of words related to agriculture. Here we have to write the relative words to the agricultures. You may write there farmer, crop, fields, sow, reap, plow, irrigate, rainfall, bumper, harvest. These are the some relative word to agriculture. Second activity, discuss the activities carried out by a farmer. Plowing, then after plowing, sowing, irrigating and harvesting. Then third activity, in our countries, engineering, teaching and medical fields are much sought after other professions, occupations, though they make a significant contribution to the society, do not get theirs due. Here are some professions or occupations they do not get theirs due. However, they are very important their contribution in the society. Like their occupation that is farmer. Farmer, these occupations farming from that highly unpredictable economic gains. Then conservancy workers, that means those working for protecting the river or the dam or forest. They engaged in occupations involving health risk in unsanitary condition without required work gears and equipment. Then another there are occupations like house help, no paid time off, no minimum wage assured, no old age benefits from that house help occupation. Then fourth one is a daily wage laborers. This is also one kind of occupation or profession. In that professions, unsafe work condition, arbitrary wages, then gender inequality is there, no housing, no proper education for offspring, no health care in that occupation, greedy labor contractors there are in daily wages laborers. Then streets vendors means sellers, uncertain income in that occupation and harassment is there in that occupation. Next activity, agriculture is the backbone of the Indian economy. Fill in the boxes supporting these statements. Complete the following web diagram. Here, so agriculture, the backbone of India, one has given to us that is a large part of Indian population is involved in agriculture. So the agriculture is the backbone of India. Others we have to fill here. You may write there India's entire population of more than a billion depend every day on the food crops grown by our farmers. That means our whole population is depend on the farmers because farmers are producing the foods or crops to the population or Indian population. The next one, survival of the population without other industries like IT or automobile is possible, but not without agriculture. So agriculture is more important because it is backbone. Without agriculture, no one can survive in the world. You can survive or we can live in the world without IT or automobiles, but we cannot live without the agriculture in the world or in the life, we cannot live our life without the agriculture. Then diverse geography and climate of India allows a variety of crops to be grown suited to the local condition. Agriculture is the backbone of India because in the India there are various geography or regions, or there are various climates in India, so that in various regions, according to that climates, there are grown various crops. This is this is beneficial for the farmers. So agriculture is the backbone of India. In this way, we have seen in the first video icebreakers activity. In next video, we are going to see the poet. Two poets are there, and the explanation of the poem, The Shore. Thank you.